Hi everybody, in today's video I am going to be giving a little sneak peek at some of the items that I got during the Travelers Company experience that was held at the Paper Seahorse and Frivolous Dry Goods pop-up shop in Ybor City, Florida, in Tampa. And I want to preface it by saying I did not buy much, but I just want to show you what was in the little goodie bag and kind of talk about the event a little bit. So there was a stamp. They did send their stamps, so I did stamp a bunch of things, and I want to show you guys a little bit about that. But first I want to show you the goodie bag that was at the event, and I really want to make sure that I'm in frame for this. Yeah, I didn't know if I was going to be able to make it to the event just because it's a 2-hour drive and I'm pregnant, and I didn't know if it was worth the risk of driving 2 hours over to the event and risk going into labor 2 hours away from home. But I took the risk and it was worth it to me. So anyway, inside the goodie bag was a Midori pamphlet and this really pretty Travelers Company pamphlet, which I thought was really, really special. I have never seen this before, so it was really fun to kind of look through that. And the images and the photographs are always really, really gorgeous. So here's like a list of all of their products. And then we also got a Traveler's Times, which I'm sure everybody has seen this like a million times. So that was really fun. I think I have this. Maybe I don't, so that's even better. And then Tona, the owner, put together these little goodie bags, which had a sticker, a really pretty tag with some stamps, this postcard that was designed especially for the event, and then there was a stamp actually at the event with the same image, and some Japan exclusive washi. I think this is the Korea one, and then this is a train one. So that's really fun. And at the end of the event, I actually won a giveaway. And I used the stamps and I stamped all over this envelope, but I want to show you quickly what I won for the giveaway. I got a pink Traveler's notebook passport size insert, which is really fun, and a 2019 Midori diary with the lined pages in the back. I haven't decided how I'm going to use this yet because it is dated. And I feel like I should use it. I don't want to waste it, but I haven't figured it out yet because I've got quite a few planners and keepers and all that jazz. So basically the event kind of went like this. At 2:30, the kind of share all information, the actual Traveler's Notebook meetup event kind of took place. And Tona did a lot of talking, and then they shared details about the 2019 new released items, and there was some sharing and some it was just a really good time. Like, it was just a big room filled with a bunch of enthusiasts, and there was a lot of sharing. It's just a lot of sharing. It was a good time. Anyway, so I during the end of that, I had to use the restroom because I'm pregnant, and I wasn't able to kind of get back into the room because there were so many people. So I just went ahead and did all my stamping. So I stamped this, and then I stamped a few pages in here with the stamps. I think that was my favorite part, was being able to use the stamps, because it's such an exclusive thing. Like, you can only use these stamps in Japan unless they do one of these pop-up shops. So I brought one of these blank inserts with me. It's a half-size trip, and I actually just got this from Mitts, so the timing was perfect. And I stamped the Frivolous Dry Goods and Paper Seahorse collaboration right here, and then the Traveler's Factory right here. And then I stamped an image on each page. I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but I feel like I should use it for something special. I just haven't decided yet. So we'll come to that. I thought about using it to document the day, but really there's not a whole lot that I need to document about it. I can do it in my regular journal. So that was really, really fun. And then one of the ladies had printed out this map thing for the world map and then the US map that can kind of just go into your traveler's notebook. And you can document your traveling, which I thought was really appropriate since it was a Travelers Company event. And then Tona also brought back a bunch of really exclusive washi tape. A lot of it you can't even find anymore. I only took samples of 3. This one, the traveling ticket looking one, and then this orange train ticket one. There was a bunch, but I think I have samples from most of the other ones. I didn't have anything from this, I think. So I did take a small sample of that. And let's see, I brought a empty tag, and I did stamp the tag so that I could use that to document the day as well. And it was really a lot of fun. Anyway, so after the event, they did kind of shopping, and you could go do all of your stamping and kind of just chat and talk with everybody and get to know everybody, and that was really fun too. I had already done all the stamping, so I didn't need to be in the way of everybody doing that. And we were just taking pictures and talking and sharing our notebooks and our experiences. And at one point I gave an interview for the Travelers Company event. They wanted, Tona at the Paper Seahorse wanted to film a video of the event to send to Travelers Company, and I did an interview during that time. And what else? I don't think I can think of anything else. So this is the items that these are the items that I purchased. I did get the brass clip, and I got the darker one, the one without the plain. I feel like this one's patina will be better. And let me just go ahead and take it out of the plastic here. I really am impressed with the quality. I did not realize it was $22. I never saw a price point on it. But I had chosen the 3 things that I wanted, and I gave it to my husband. And I said, hey, while I'm chatting, can you just go get in line and purchase this for me before it gets too crazy? And he came back and he was like, that was the most expensive 3 items I think you've ever purchased. He was kidding, obviously, but we were both surprised by the price. But it's very good quality. It is brass. The spring is really, really tight, and it's got a really nice look, and it will patina and last forever. So I got over the price really quickly. I did get the passport size binder, which was one of the items I was really excited about, because if you follow along with me on my channel, I document my baby's life in the passport size. So the notebooks, so I can put all of his notebooks in this and keep it kind of together. So I really appreciated that they did this size. And the last item that I got was the map holder, the 3-fold insert. I was really intrigued by this. I really liked it a lot, and I didn't need any more inserts, so I didn't pick up any inserts. So I just got the 3 things. And then, oh, I lied. I also picked up one of these. It was in this cute little thing, and it's a first class Pan Am luggage tag. So I thought, why not? I love Pan Am anything. And then this was in our bag. It had the date on it as well. And one of the postcards that I picked up, I went ahead and stamped it with the, I wanted to really document this, the event where it was held, and that it was a Travelers Company sponsored event. And then before I left, Tona had her Polaroid camera, and we took a Polaroid picture together. So that was really sweet. Tona and I have been friends for a few years now, and I've just really loved seeing where she has brought the Traveler's Notebook community here in Tampa, or over in Tampa. I don't live over in Tampa, but it's just been a really special situation to be able to be a part of that, and I've really enjoyed it. And she's a really great friend, so there's that. So I also had a friend give me some of these. I had never seen these before, so I was super excited. She actually gave me, she brought a bunch to share, and then the event just got kind of wild and she wasn't able to share as much as she wanted, so she gave me everything she brought, which I was super thankful for because I've never seen these before and I love them. And then she also gave me these, and I haven't seen these before either. I think these are older, so I'm very excited to have those. So yeah, at the end of this video, I'm going to put in some snapshots, some short snapshot videos that I took. They're just from my Instagram stories. I saved the videos so that I could put it together at the end of this video, and I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you are in Florida and you want to be able to take advantage of the stamps, these stamps will be at their Ybor City location for a month. So if you want to take a weekend trip and you want to come and visit and get the opportunity to use these exclusive stamps, then I would really suggest doing it. It's been really, really fun. I'm actually planning on mailing some envelopes and some sticker paper to some of my friends over there so that they can stamp a bunch of envelopes that I can send to my pen pals, and some sticker paper that I can cut out and share with as many people as I can, and maybe some postcards as well. So I am going to wrap it up here. I don't want this video to get too long, but I did want to share what I got, what the event was like. I thought it was amazing. To me, it was worth the risk. I did not go into labor. I still have a baby inside of me, and it was worth it to me. I really had a great time. And I got to get a lot of items like these envelopes that I would never have been able to get otherwise, and use the stamps, and there were so many people there. I met a bunch of new friends, I saw a bunch of old friends, and it was just, it felt like I was in Japan for a couple of hours. It really, really did. The aesthetic of let me see if I can pronounce that properly. The aesthetic of everything just really made it feel like it was taking place in Japan. They did a really great job curating the event and making sure that everybody was able to do a lot. There was actually a typing station that I didn't take advantage of, and there was also a lady there who was personalizing inserts with her hand lettering. I also did not take advantage of that because I was just talking and having a great time, and I didn't feel like standing in line for those things. But that's okay. I have typewriters and I hand letter, so if I really want to get crazy with it, I can do it on my own. But anyway, I'm going to wrap it up here. I hope you had a great time watching this. I hope you enjoy the following clips, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hi everybody. Really quickly, I didn't feel like putting music over this, so I'm just going to kind of describe some of the things that you're seeing in these pictures because I didn't feel like putting music over it, and I wanted to kind of describe everything. So I have taken some videos and pictures of things. Like this is the stamping station where all the stamps were, and here are some photos that really made it feel like you were in the Traveler's factory. It really just felt like you were in Japan. It felt so special and intimate, and they did a really good job of making it feel like you were there in the actual factory. I really, really appreciated that they thought about doing that, and it was really nice. Here you're going to see a video of just how many people were there. There were actually a lot more. There's probably 5 to 10 more people that showed up after this, so that was exciting. And then I stamped the outside of my new blue, which is crazy. I can't believe I did that, but it was really, really fun. I love the look of it. And here are the new items. I'm just kind of quickly showing you that they had some of the new items sitting out on these tables. It was really fun, and I really loved seeing everything up close and personal, and the store was just really done in a really intimate way. The store was already intimate. I had visited it before they decorated it for this event, and it was intimate, but they did a really good job of really making it feel like the Traveler's factory for this event. So I really liked that. And this was really fun. I'm going to flip through this book really quickly, but this was an entire insert filled up with the illustrations that they show online. And my gosh, it was so fun flipping through that. I wish I had gone through and like slowly flipped through it more instead of just filming the stories for this and then kind of walking away. It got so busy though, it was hard to get over there, and so many people were talking, and it was just, I was lucky to get this video so I could watch it back and look back at those pages. But the whole notebook was filled with these illustrations, and it was really awesome to have that here. That really made it feel like too. So that was really great. And flipping through the new items here, this is one of the new inserts. These are all the new inserts with the samples and everything. Here's the grid insert, and I think this one is the watercolor insert. And I was in the stories, I was trying to flip the pages so you can see and hear how thick they were. They're really thick. And yeah, it was just really fun being able to touch everything and feel everything. Style that I have. I don't have them all, but I have the stands and be surrounded by people that appreciated the same things you appreciated. And so many people traveled from far away. I drove 2 hours or 2.5. No, I'm going after. We had people that drove 3 hours. We had people that drove from Miami, which was even closer to 4, depending on which way they went. I'm not sure, but a lot of people traveled for this event, which is really, really special. Here's the stamping station again in action. And yeah, it just felt like home to be surrounded by people that appreciated the same things you did. So anyway, I am going to probably cut it here because I don't really think I have too much more else to say other than I loved the event, and I wish all of you could be here to enjoy it as well. And just yeah, it was just really great. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing everything a little bit closer up. So thanks. Bye.